Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Assunta Davidson. I help women navigate hair loss with innovative solutions, lifestyle hacks, and mind renewal so you can live easier and on purpose. Today, I'm repairing my glasses organizer to show you how to create your own. Because when your space is organized, so is your mind. Let's get into it. To make my infamous frame wall, you're going to need 3 wooden frames and a knob of your choice. Now, these are dresser knobs. You want to use any knob that's going to hold your frames. I love these crystal knobs because it's the perfect size and they hold my frames in the right way. Okay, so I space these out. I put the knobs right above those grooves in the wood, and 12 knobs, meaning 12 frames per board, giving me a total of 36 frames to hang on my wall. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to repair the knob, and then you're going to do this and just repeat the pattern for each of the knobs in the placement. So right now it's best to just sand that area down. Okay, do not use hot glue. It did not work. The longevity was terrible. Okay, so use this glue. It's called Quick Hold. You want to put some of the glue onto the surface of the board and on the knob. You want to hold it there. It takes about 2 minutes to set and dry, and you'll see it'll give you a very firm hold. Okay, now in total it's going to take about 5 to 8 hours to actually cure and set completely. And then I'm just taking this on my other board and doing the same thing, placing the glue on the surface and then placing glue on the knob. You want to marry the two surfaces together, hold it there for about 2 minutes, let it set, and you're good to go. Now you just repeat this pattern on the board. Very simple. You want to space them apart evenly. And again, I put my knobs right above that crease. You see that crease in the wood? I put it right above that crease. And then I just reinforce the knobs with a little bit of glue around and just let it set. Organize your glasses, clean them, honey, and put them on the wall. Everything you need is linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box, because creating order in your space is one of the simplest ways to invite peace into your life. I hope this blesses you. Keep watching.